please use professional advisors. A barber cuts my hair. I don't want to butcher I still look this shit, but a barber cuts my hair. I don't butcher it myself. The mechanic services my car. The doctor writes prescriptions, although not preventative. They're post-fact again, like the accountant. Why the hell do we think we can spend 8 to 10 hours a day at work, commute there and back when COVID's not on, and manage our finances and have a relationship and a family? Come on, guys, cut the crap. That's why 97% of us fail. We can't manage our own finances. Doctor when you're sick, mechanic fix your car, barber do your hair, painter paint your house. Find a professional advisor. Get a money coach, a financial advisor, a credit, somebody that can help you in the capacity of your goals, objectives, and outcomes. And at least use technology to complement that to keep them honest. Yeah, everyone got me on that? Good.